Thanks, Taylor. The first thing I'd do as a kid when I visited my grandma was go to that little magazine that sat on top of her TV. I'd grab it, I'd run to her, and I would say, "Grandma, what's on TV?" And she'd open that little magazine. You probably guessed what it is by now, the TV guide. And on one page, she could tell me exactly what was on. Fast forward to the next generation, the cable generation. I'd sit on the couch with my parents, and we'd ask each other, "What do you want to watch? What's on?" And we'd hit that magic little guide button on the remote. And again, in one place, in one view, we knew exactly what was on TV. Just over a year ago, I lost that guide when I cut the cable cord. I joined the millions of people turning to streaming apps to answer the questions, what's on? What should I watch? But now when we ask those questions, there's no answer. Instead, we come face to face with a wall of little app icons, hundreds of app icons, and hiding behind that wall, millions of hours of content. So we end up jumping from one app to another app to another app, searching for something to watch, soaking up the precious minutes of our busy lives where we just want to relax, watch some TV. It's a fragmented and frustrating experience, not the way TV is supposed to be. I'm Chris Kessler, CEO and co-founder of StreamSavvy, and we're helping you discover and access the best TV. We're the TV guide for the streaming generation. StreamSavvy is the only platform that brings together all live and on-demand stream content in one place, giving you that single pane of glass with one-touch access to the entire universe of stream content. To do that, we built a platform that pulls in over 10 million hours of content from across 300 streaming apps, bringing you a simple, unified interface and experience delivered through apps on each of your devices. Our proprietary algorithm does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, sifting through that mountain of content to bring you the most relevant, the content you love in one place, watchable with one touch. Here's how it works. Jump on the StreamSavvy app, and maybe you want to search for a show you love, or you want to surf the guide to see a great game that's on. We'll show you where to stream it. And in one touch, we've seamlessly delivered you to the underlying streaming app, and you're watching. We are reversing the flow of the entire streaming experience, starting with you. And instead of you having to deal with the frustrating minutes trying to find something to watch, we make the experience about you. We're making it fun to watch TV again. And the timing couldn't be better. Last quarter, Q2 of 2016, almost 1 million people walked away from their cable boxes. And they are just one small piece of the 53 million already turning to streaming apps in the US today alone for their TV entertainment. As we attack this large and growing market, we built a business model that allows us to pull multiple revenue levers. On the enterprise side, regional cable and internet providers are seeing the exact same trends we're all seeing. People want to stream TV. And our streaming guide is that perfect value-add, turnkey solution for them and their customers. And we're getting traction there. On the direct side, as we scale, our data will be increasingly valuable and powerful. Second, we're already working with content owners to grow and engage their user bases. Lastly, we'll help you save money by managing and optimizing all your streaming bill payments in one place. So we have this big market with a lot of velocity behind it. We have a clear path to monetization. But I wouldn't be doing my job today if I didn't talk to you about our journey, where we've come from and where we're going. It all started in July of 2015 with full-time jobs. My co-founder, Carl Lewis, and I did the night and weekends hustle for almost a year. Cataloging, categorizing the entire streaming universe, building that platform. We walked away from promising corporate jobs on June 11th for the Brandery, and we were blessed with the opportunity to go all in on StreamSavvy. And we've moved quickly, leveraging that platform that we built over the first year. In July, we launched a public beta of our search engine on the web. Several weeks later, we had the first version of our mobile app on test flight. In the coming days, version 1.0 will be on the App Store. We are relentlessly iterating and building to be that single entertainment portal across all your devices. So we are wherever you want us, whenever you want us. Executing to this mission is a uniquely qualified team. My entire career has prepared me to lead StreamSavvy. For almost a decade, I've been building and leading teams. Through my experience in private equity and management consulting, I've built and invested in companies from startups to Fortune 100 enterprises. As I mentioned, joining me is Carl Lewis, my co-founder, my good friend, and our CTO. And Carl is that full stack developer. He's done everything from spin up entire stacks for startups within weeks to work at the biggest scale, developing marquee applications for Fortune 100 companies. We're excited and we're passionate, and we're just getting started. So I'd ask that you join us, because we're answering that question of what's on for an entire generation as we help them discover, watch, and stream savvy. Thank you.